Hey friends, the system administrator has set policies. I will show you simple method to fix this error. Simple drag your mouse to search box and type here regedit and simple click on run as administrator. Now click on view option and select address bar option. Simple select this path, right click on it and click on delete option. And now I will give you a path address in the description. Simple paste this path address from here and hit the enter button. Now right click on Windows folder and select the new key option. Type here installer and hit the enter button. Right click on installer and again select new key and now select your 32-bit value. Type here as it is disable MSI and hit the enter button. Now double click on disable MSI and set the value 0 like this and click on OK and close this window. Now our next method is simple drag your mouse to search box and type here gpedit and click on open. Now expand the administrative templates option, expand Windows components, scroll down little bit, find Windows installer. Here you can see simple click on Windows installer. Now click on turn off Windows installer, double click on it. If your case showing not configured, simple select enable option and select the never option from here, disable Windows installer, never select and click on apply, then click on OK. Simple close this window and simple reboot your system. Check your problem is solved or not. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.